Hey guys, it's me, Everything Apple Pro. I'm here to show you how to add a home button to your iPhone 10 and iPhone 11. First of all, go to Settings, go to Accessibility, go to Scroll down and go to Touch, and go to Assistive Touch, and as you can see, my Assistive Touch is not on it. And click single tap and click home, and as you can see, you can just click your assistive touch to go to your home screen. So you can add this to your iPhone 10 and iPhone 11. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye guys.